Over the past 50 years, Kerry has greatly contributed to the economic growths and scientific advancements of Korea by achieving self-reliance in nuclear energy technology. All Kerry's achievements, such as development of Korea's standard nuclear power plant, construction of the multi-purpose research reactor Hanaru, localization of nuclear fuels, and development of new medicines by utilizing radioisotopes, have been milestones for the nuclear industry growth in this country. Nuclear power now shares 40% of the total electricity generation in Korea, and it has been a strong supporter of Korea's national economic growth. Kerry is pursuing ceaseless efforts to develop and advance the nuclear energy technology. The outcomes of these efforts will certainly contribute to a reliable energy security, economic growth, and improvement of our life quality. Kerry will continue its endeavor until nuclear energy becomes the hope of the people in this country. Kerry is developing next-generation nuclear reactors, including Generation 4 nuclear energy systems. These reactors will excel in safety, economy, and substantially minimize their nuclear waste. Sodium-cooled fast reactor, a dream nuclear reactor that can utilize uranium resources at 60 times that of conventional reactors. Very high-temperature gas-cooled reactor, the energy source for hydrogen production that will lead the upcoming hydrogen economy era. And SMART, which will provide dual-purpose applications for seawater desalination and electricity generation. These reactors and their technologies will brighten our future. We are also developing a very high-density uranium-molybdenum alloy fuel, which can be used in research reactors all over the world. Advanced cladding tube for PWR HANA, with substantially improved corrosion resistance and creep strain. And annular type new fuel concept, which can accommodate the power rating increase of 20% when compared to conventional fuels. Kerry is devoting its all efforts to improve the safety and economy of the nuclear power generation and prepare for the day when the people fully recognize and enjoy the benefits of nuclear energy. Unusual weather such as droughts, floods, and tidal waves are caused by greenhouse gases produced from fossil fuel. Nuclear energy, not emitting any greenhouse gases, is receiving broad and comprehensive attention from the world because it is considered as the practical solution at this time to these environmental issues. From the pyroprocess fuel cycle technology, which separates and refines transuranium materials contained in spent nuclear fuels, reuses them in the fast reactors, and thus drastically reduces the volume and heat of spent fuels. The DUPIC technology, which recycles spent PWR fuels for CANDU reactors. To the high-level rad waste disposable technology, suitable for the Korean environment. We are developing technologies to recycle spent nuclear fuels, minimize radioactive waste, and safely dispose of them in the near future. Kerry is also operating an integrated thermal hydraulic test facility, ATLAS, where various design basis accidents of nuclear power plants can be simulated and tested. In addition, we are developing remote-controlled robot technology for inspecting and repairing nuclear power plants. High-energy laser technology that can be utilized to produce very stable isotopes for medical use. And the special heating device and high-tech materials necessary for the realization of the nuclear fusion. We, Kerry, are making every possible effort to enhance the safety of nuclear power and also to keep our environments clean. Nuclear energy is part of our daily life. Medical treatments, production and the preservation of high-quality agricultural products, and the cleaning of polluted environments are some of the benefits of the use of nuclear energy. Hanaro, the research reactor with high-quality performance, is being used to evaluate the performance of materials for nuclear reactors and fuels, and to produce radioisotopes and high-quality semiconductor materials. Furthermore, Hanaro is the only neutron beam application R&D base for those scientists and researchers from colleges and industries who are doing R&D on new materials. By establishing the Jung-uk Advanced Radiation Technology Institute in 2006, CARI is intensively promoting radiation fusion technologies to improve the quality of life and create new growth engine for the country. From the radiation mutation breeding research for developing new breeds of rice, beans, and flowers. Developing new pharmaceuticals and medical equipment by combining radiation and medical technologies. Developing special purpose foods such as Korean space food and combat food. To developing technologies for purifying wastewater, polluted soil, and air. We are opening a road to find tomorrow with radiation fusion technologies. Nuclear policy study is one of CARI's important missions. This mission is to study the effective strategies by which we can be actively and well prepared for the unstable energy supply situations in the future. We are also devoting our utmost efforts to developing, building, and training the creative manpower. CARI is playing a leading role in carrying out joint international R&D to develop the Generation 4 nuclear energy systems. And close collaboration with the IAEA is enhancing the transparency of the country's nuclear activities. The past 50 years of CARI's history has been the driving force of the nation's industrial development and economic growth. In the coming 50 years, CARI will play a central role in keeping the environment and creating a more prosperous future for our children and their descendants. CARI's energetic endeavors to create abundant energy, clean environment, and healthy life continues as we speak for our brighter future.